Hello, what's up guys? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai Elantra. This car have a problem when I try to start car. See, not start. And also check engine is not there. You can see here engine light not came. That's the problem. So car not start and engine light also not coming. When I check with my diagnosis tool, there is no communication. That's the problem. So today I will show you how you can solve this problem and why engine light not came and car not start. I will show you everything and I will show you solution. Okay, so here is the engine room and I check fuses, everything is fine. So test in coil, when ignition on, there is a voltage came. So first check this one, this is perfect or not. First we have to ignition on, and then in tester, with tester we check. See, there is a no voltage when ignition on. That's the problem. Okay, so before one car I got same problem in this module. So I buy one new one from company. You can see here body assembly engine module, this one. So now I replace this one and check. Okay, actually this module inside there is a small relay, some relay for engine control module, and you can see here in cover, see, ignition coil, everything is inside this module. So now we replace this one and check. Okay, so you can see here I already replaced this module. Okay, and now we test in our car. Ignition on, here now you can see there is a voltage. So fix it and try to start. And now you can see communication is there. See, before there is no communication. Exhaust valve control circuit low, reset and start car. See, thank you. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.